यार नारे मारो ना
Kawade, what's your dignity here?
Administrative officer.
Okay, thank you very much.
We are Muslim people. We are respect our religion. What do something Denmark, sometime France, sometime New York, sometime America, Obama. What is this? This is that. What is it? We are respect our religion. But we are religion. What do with what is this? You tell this. America do that. This is America. You see, we are respect our religion, but what we do America, no. This is your message. What we are do, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, everything our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is this? We everything America, something do from why? We are never do with any religion with something that, and we are do respect this. You all the world, you see the problem. All the American has even fire now. All the people kill. We need peace. We need peace. But this peace need all the world. This peace we are not accept. We are respect our religion and we are one. We are everybody respect Islam. to Korean. I like this one.